Amazon's big spring sale is live right now, and these are some of the best tool deals that you're going to find. I dug through and found some insane savings. Let's go. Before we get started, I can't possibly put all of the amazing tool deals in this video, so all you have to do to see all that I found is go over to 731woodworks.com, click on that tool deals button, and then scroll down just a little bit. Right there, you're going to see the Amazon big spring sale page that I've got. This will be live updating all the way through the 31st. There's going to be a lot of incredible deals coming in the next few days, so be sure and go check these out. And every time we add a new deal, you're going to see the new tab on that deal. Now, let me show you what I found. I've grouped these tool deals into sections. We're going to do power tools, hand tools, dust collection. We'll also do workshop upgrades and, of course, storage. But the first deal is probably one that's going to blow everybody's mind. First on the list, the famous DeWalt DW735X planer is on sale, all the way down to $522. I haven't seen it this low in a very long time. I don't think this deal will last very long. If you want this planer, you better grab it. It's retail $7.99, so you're saving 35% off. This is an incredible deal. Next up, the Bosch 1617 router. This is one of the best 2¼ horsepower routers that you can buy. This is only the fixed base router, so you're getting it for $159 all the way down for $219. You're saving 27% off, one of the best routers on the market. But if Bosch isn't your cup of tea and you want DeWalt, they also have their DW618 2¼ horsepower on sale for $196 and change. It was $274. You're saving 28% off of this router, and you do get the fixed base. I have both of these routers. You can't go wrong with either one. Next, if you're in the Craftsman V20 platform, this V20 4-amp-hour battery is on sale for only $49. You're saving 59% off the retail price of $119. I've got a couple of DeWalt drill deals for you. This is the first one. This is a brushless DeWalt drill. It's not a hammer drill, but there is a hammer drill coming up if you need that. This is only $81, was $128 and change, saving 37% off. Next, you have the Craftsman jointer. This is the lowest price I've seen this in the last 90 days, all the way down to $299. So today you could potentially get the planer and the jointer for solid deals. Next up, the DeWalt XR cordless ratchet. It's a 3/8 and 1/2 inch sealed head ratchet. Bare tool only. You can get this right now for only $189. Regular price $279, saving about $90 here with 32% off. If you're in the Skil platform, you can get these two batteries. They're both 2-amp-hour batteries. These are only $49. It was $89 and change, so you are saving 44% off. This is the lowest price on these in the last 90 days. Here's the DeWalt hammer drill that I was talking about, the DeWalt XR cordless hammer drill. This is a 1/2 inch, 3-speed. This is tool only, but you can save right now 30% off. It's all the way down to $194. It was $279. If you need a hammer drill and you're in the DeWalt 20-volt platform, this might be the way to go. If you need a miter saw, this is a Skil 7¼ inch miter saw. This is a smaller, so it's not the 10-inch miter saw, but it will save a lot of space for you. This is only $169 all the way down from $219, saving 23% off. Couple of circular saw deals here for you, both Skil saw brand. This is a beast of a circular saw, 10¼ inch magnesium saw squatch, they call it. This thing is huge. If you need something to cut big timbers, this is the deal. $276 right now. It was $439, so right now you can save 37% off this massive saw. But if you need just a standard 7¼ inch circular saw, they also have this worm drive circular saw on sale for $179 all the way down from $219, saving 19% off. If you need a welder in the shop, this is the #1 selling MIG welder on Amazon. This is the Yes Welder 110 volt MIG lift TIG stick welder 3-in-1. Large LED display on the front. This is going to be all the way down to $104.99. It was $149.99, saving you 30% off. This is the lowest price we've seen this in the last 90 days. The DeWalt scroll saw is on sale. This is one of the best scroll saws out there from what I gather from you telling me about it. This is $409 right now, saving 32% off the retail price of $599. And if you need an inflator to inflate tires, pool floats, anything around the house, this might be the way to go. Craftsman's 3-in-1 portable tire inflator. This does come with a 4-amp-hour battery and a charger, plus it does have the thing you can plug into the cigarette lighter on your car, if you even still have those on cars. Right now you can get this for $137 and change. It was $169, saving you 19%. Craftsman also has this V20 drill on sale for $89. It was $129, so you're saving 31%. If you need a little desktop style CNC, this might be the way to go. This was $949 all the way down to $669, so it's 30% off right now. And finally, before we get into the hand tool deals, this is a Bosch hammer drill. This thing is only $80. It's the lowest price this has ever been on Amazon. It was $129. You're saving 38% off. If you're in the Bosch platform, this is the time to grab this one. Now I found some absolutely amazing hand tools that you don't want to miss. Starting with this one. This is a Klein 20-in-1 impact rated socket and screwdriver set. What's great about this is it comes with all of these impact rated sockets, and they all store on that impact thing right there. So you can take that and use it on your impacts, which is really great. This was $39.98. It's all the way down to $25.98, saving you 35% off. This is a screaming good deal. Next, the #1 best-selling handsaw on Amazon is this Ru-Tool Japanese handsaw, for good reason. It's a very good quality saw at a very low price. This is only $11.79. It was $25.99. It's going to save you 55% off. I know a lot of people have already bought these. If you haven't, you should check it out. If you need a good set of vice grip style pliers, this is an Irwin plier set. This is on sale for $18.80, saving you 32% off. The retail price is $27. Next, some of the best clamps you can get, especially quick clamps. This is an Irwin quick clamp set. It's only $19 and change. I think it's $19.99. It was $39.98. 50% off. A bunch of people have already bought these because these have been on sale for just a couple of weeks, but at this price, I don't think they'll last long. If you need a set of parallel clamps, this might be the day to grab these. This is two 36-inch clamps from Vevor, all the way down to $55.23, saving you 25% off the retail price of $73.90. What's great is these are like $26, $27 each. It's going to be hard to find clamps at this price, especially parallel clamps. If you need a Craftsman tape measure, right now this is on sale for 33% off, all the way down to $13.98. This is a 30-foot tape. You may want to grab a couple of these at this price. And it does have the markings on there. I know a lot of people love to see the 1/8, quarter, 3/8, all that on there. It just helps you keep up with those measurements. So if you need that feature, you will grab that as well. If you need a digital caliper, these are really nice for just getting quick measurements, the thicknesses and things like that. I have a couple of digital calipers in the shop. They're just handy. This is $15.98, 27% off the retail price. Solid deal. Vevor has this 4-pack of bar clamps on sale right now for $36.46, saving you 15% off the retail price of $42 and change. If you need some bar clamps, this might be the way to go, but I do have some Jorgensen ones coming up as well if you're a Jorgensen fan. Right now you can get this Klein set. I have this set. It's a fantastic little set. It's a pass-through impact socket set. Again, all of these sockets are impact rated. This is all the way down to $79.98, saving you 20% off. This is the lowest price this has ever been. Retail price is $99.98. If you're looking for a 3/8-inch drive socket set, this is a 64-piece standard SAE and metric set from Vevor. This is on sale for $52.11, saving you 16% off. This is the lowest price this set has been in the last 90 days from the retail price of $61. Again, nice little set for a good little price. Here's that Jorgensen set that I was telling you about. These are on sale for only $32.20. I absolutely love Jorgensen clamps. I think they're some of the best bar clamps made. The handles on them are fantastic. They're nice, beefy clamps. They don't bend or anything like that. This is a 2-pack of 6-inch and a 2-pack of 12-inch for a 4-pack. This is on sale, again, $32.20, saving you 15% off the retail price. This is a really nice little set of corner clamps if you build boxes or drawers or anything. It just helps to keep everything nice and square while you're getting everything attached. These are on sale all the way down to $13.98, the lowest price in the last 90 days from the retail price of $23.99. Solid deal here. This is that bigger saw that I was telling you about, the Suizan Ryoba double-edged saw. This is a bigger saw, so it's a 9.5-inch saw. This is a very good Japanese saw if you need it. This is on sale for 15% off to the lowest price it's been in the last 90 days, down to $36.38. Klein has this grab-and-go impact set all the way down to $14.98, saving you 25% off. The retail price was $19.98. If you need a wrench set, this set is on sale for $42.99, saving you 22% off the retail price of $54.99. Next up, we have some dust collection deals on sale right now. This is a Craftsman 16-gallon, 6.5 peak horsepower. I tested this a while back. The suction on this is crazy good. And it does come with a filter, a bag, and all those attachments that you see right there. This is on sale for only $118. This was $139.99, saving 15% off, and this is the lowest price this has been in the last 90 days. If you're looking for a vacuum that's scary quiet, like it's very weird how quiet these things are, this is the DeWalt Stealth Sonic Shop Vacuum. This is a 5-gallon, 4 horsepower, ultra quiet. These things are very quiet. I was very surprised by how quiet it really was. This thing is on sale for only $135.97, down from $159.96, saving 15% off, and this is the lowest price in the last 90 days. DeWalt also has a separator with a 10-gallon stainless steel tank with 99.5% efficiency, as they claim, cyclone dust collector, so this will help separate the dust out before it goes to your shop vac to keep your shop vac hoses or your filters from stopping up rather. This is all the way down to $118.77. It was $142.97, saving you 17% off. Now if you need some shop upgrades, I've got some very good deals here for you, starting with this Going Make compact table saw miter gauge. This is similar to the VEVOR style. I don't know who makes these, but it kind of is similar to that. This is on sale for $59.99, so very highly rated. This is all the way down to $44.95. It was $59.99, saving you 25% off. Next, this Jackery power station. I have one of these. I bought it a few months ago when the power went out, and I thought, man, this really stinks. So I wanted to get something to help power things around the house. This thing is on sale for $188.99, all the way down from $259, saving you 27% off. There's more power station deals that you'll find over on the website as well. If you want to check out my website, we'll have some of those there. Works Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table. I've had a couple of these in the shop for years. They're fantastic for just extra workspaces, or you can use them as sawhorses, all kinds of stuff. These are all the way down to $116.98. These were like $99 around Black Friday, but that is pretty rare that they go that low. So you're about $16 higher than that, $17. So it's still a solid deal, but if you can wait, it might be worth it, but they're still at $116 a great deal. Next up, I got two different Bora sawhorse deals for you. First up is this little set right here. These are on sale for only $79.99. So screaming good deal at only saving you 33% off. Lowest price in 90 days. It was $119.99. If you need a little beefier set, this set right here holds quite a bit more weight. I think the other one was like 1,300 pounds. This was all the way up to 1,800 pounds, so you will get a little more beefier build quality, but these are a little more expensive at $119.79, down from $169, saving you 28% off. Both of these sets, though, are the lowest price we've seen these in the last 90 days. So either set is a solid deal. Just depends on how much weight you need to hold with them. And just coming with that weight, they are a little more heavier versus the smaller ones. So it just depends on what you want to do there. Next up is a Bora Centipede 30-inch work table, folding work table. These things fold up to almost nothing, and then they expand out and you can put a sheet of plywood on it, or you can pick up the Bora work tops that go with these that have dog holes and clamping options and all kinds of stuff. Right now, this thing is on sale for $89.99, down from $104.99, saving you 14%. Next up, the Win 40-inch workbench with power outlets and a light. This thing is on sale for $114 and change. It's the lowest price in the last 90 days, down from $150 and change, 24% off. These DeWalt goggles have been viral. They've been selling like crazy. They're on sale for $9.99. These are anti-fog goggles, and they were $12.99, saving 25% off. Now we have some storage upgrades for your shop, whether it's small parts or all kinds of stuff here. This is the Bora wood organizer rack. This is a 6-level rack. I've got 2 of these in the shop. They're incredible. Right now, you can get this for only $39.99, saving 29% off. Lowest price in the last 90 days. They were $55.99. A great way to store your lumber. This is the DeWalt small parts organizer. Right now, you can get this thing for only $21.99. It was $27 and change, so you're saving 21% off. Or if you need a way to organize screws, bolts, nuts, that sort of thing, you can pick this up right now for only $33.99. It was $39.95. It's the lowest price in 90 days, and you're saving 15% off. This stack and roll 4-piece rolling tool storage system right now is on sale for $123.22. It was like $149.99. You're saving 18% off, and again, lowest price in 90 days on this as well. Or if you like the DeWalt toolboxes, you can grab this little rolling toolbox. This was just a little over $118 right now for only $65.72. This is the lowest price on this toolbox in the last 90 days as well. I have had a set of these drawer organizers for a very long time. It's a great way just to get sockets and wrenches and pliers and all kinds of stuff all organized so you don't have just a pile of a junk drawer. These are great, and for the price, you can't beat them. $26.99. You're getting 69 pieces, and they just snap together too inside a drawer, so you can kind of lock them all in there. They were $35 and change. Right now, 25% off, lowest price in 90 days. Grab this set. If you'd like to check out any of these tools today, links in the description, the pinned comment, and of course the TV viewers, you can scan the QR code, takes you right to my website, 731woodworks.com. In the tool deal section, you will see this big spring sale being updated through March 31st, so it will be live, pinned right there to the top. Also across the top, Home Depot, Lowe's, Rockler, and more Amazon deals to find. If you're just looking for tool deals, this is the place to go. We update these every single day, so you want to be sure and check them out.